In today's fast-paced business world, stress and burnout are common challenges faced by employees. Juggling deadlines, multitasking, and maintaining work-life balance can be overwhelming. However, incorporating mindfulness meditation practices into the workplace can be a powerful tool for positive change. Meditation offers a range of benefits that can enhance employee well-being, boost work productivity, and cultivate a thriving work environment. The advantages of workplace meditation: reduces stress and anxiety. Meditation is a well-established technique for stress management. By focusing on the present moment and cultivating mindfulness, employees can reduce stress levels and improve mental health, leading to a calmer and more focused workforce. Improves focus and concentration. Regular meditation practice can enhance concentration and cognitive function. Employees who meditate are better able to sustain focus on tasks, resulting in increased efficiency and productivity. This is particularly beneficial in high-pressure roles requiring sustained attention. Boosts creativity and problem-solving. Skills. Meditation promotes a state of relaxation and openness, which can stimulate creative thinking and innovation. Employees who meditate are more likely to generate fresh ideas and solutions to problems, contributing to the company's success. Enhances emotional intelligence. Meditation fosters emotional intelligence by helping individuals become more aware of their emotions and responses. This heightened self-awareness improves communication and interpersonal relationships within the workplace, creating a more harmonious and collaborative environment. Promotes physical well-being. The benefits of meditation extend beyond mental health. Regular meditation practice can lower blood pressure, improve sleep quality, and boost the immune system. Healthier employees have more energy, take fewer sick days, and are generally more productive. Implementing meditation in the workplace. Create a quiet space. Designate a quiet space within the office for employees to retreat for brief periods of meditation. This space should be free from distractions and conducive to relaxation. Consider calling it a mindfulness room or meditation zone. Schedule regular sessions. Organize meditation sessions at regular intervals, whether before work, during lunch breaks, or at the end of the day. Providing a structured time for meditation can encourage employees to make it a regular habit. Offer guided meditation sessions. For employees new to meditation, guided sessions led by a certified instructor can be particularly helpful. These sessions can provide the necessary guidance and support to develop a consistent practice. Promote participation. Actively promote the benefits of meditation and encourage employee participation. Share success stories and testimonials from colleagues who have experienced positive changes from meditation. Provide resources. Offer various resources, such as meditation apps, books, and online courses that employees can access to deepen their practice. Catering to different learning styles and preferences will increase participation. Taking the first step. Integrating meditation into the workplace can significantly transform the corporate environment, leading to a happier, healthier, and more productive workforce. By investing in the well-being of your team, you're not only enhancing their personal growth, but also contributing to the overall success of your organization.